Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to customize the sidebar in Zen Browser. The sidebar is one of Zen Browser's most useful features because it helps you organize your tabs and makes browsing much more convenient. In this guide, I'll show you a few simple ways to customize and use it more effectively. So let's get started. First, open the Zen Browser on your computer. As you can see, the sidebar is displayed on the left side of the browser window. This is where all of your open tabs are organized. Now, let's create a new tab. Simply click New Tab, then open a website. You'll notice that the new tab automatically appears in the left sidebar. Next, open a few more websites. As more tabs are added, the sidebar keeps everything organized, making it easy to switch between different pages without cluttering the top of the browser. If you want to organize your tabs, simply click and drag any tab to a new position in the sidebar. You can arrange your tabs in any order that works best for you. You can also right-click on any tab to access additional options. Depending on your version of Zen Browser, you may see options such as Pin tab, Duplicate tab, Reload tab, or Close tab. If you use multiple tabs throughout the day, you can quickly switch between them by clicking the tab you want in the sidebar. This makes multitasking much easier. You can also use the search box at the top of the sidebar to quickly find an open tab or search for a website without scrolling through your entire tab list. If your version of Zen Browser allows it, you can resize the sidebar by dragging its edge, giving yourself more or less space depending on your preference. That's all there is to it. While Zen Browser doesn't include many advanced sidebar customization options, it does let you organize your tabs, rearrange them, search through them, and manage them efficiently using the built-in sidebar. That's it for this tutorial. I hope this guide helped you learn how to customize and organize the Zen Browser sidebar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.